These are very commonly confused verbs. Now I will try to explain them to you. I will begin with the word speak. Its past and past participle forms spoke, spoken. So, speak, spoke, spoken. Speak either means general ability to speak some language or to have a conversation with someone. For example, for how many languages can you speak? I can speak 4 languages. This is an ability to speak a language. Boss, I need to speak with you. We got a small problem here. I need to speak with you means I need to have a conversation with you. The verb forms of say are say, said, said. To say means to pronounce, to open your mouth and pronounce something. That's it. It doesn't mean to have a conversation. It's a one-side action. You pronounce some words or some speech. It doesn't matter what, no dialogue here. For example, he said very unpleasant things to his boss and immediately got fired. Stay here, wait for your lawyer, and don't say anything to anybody. Say means pronounce the words or speech. The verb forms of tell are tell, told, told. Tell means to deliver a message to someone. For example, tell me about your work experience. Or why did mom leave so early? What did you tell her? Tell is quite similar to say. But when we use say, our main focus is say, what? But with the word tell, our main focus is say to who. For example, she said very unpleasant things to me. Our focus is very unpleasant things. She said, what? She said very unpleasant things to me. She told me that the car was already scratched. Our focus here is me. She told who? She told me that the car was already scratched. And now the verb talk. Talk is a regular verb. Its past and past participle forms are talked. Talk means to have a conversation, to have some communication. For example, I have to talk to my boss about the raids. I have to talk to my boss. I have to have a conversation with my boss. I am in the meeting right now. I can't talk to you. Okay, that will be it. Stay tuned for more grammar.